Hi ladies, this is Lori and I'll never diet again. But I never said I wouldn't gain weight. Gain weight and lose weight. Unfortunately, keeping the weight off is the most difficult part. Getting the weight off is easy. It's maintaining it after you get to a certain place. At least it has been for me. I have not been one that has quite gotten there yet where I can keep it off. I let little things happen and then it starts coming back on. I went through birthday season, the summer, spring, late spring, summer. We're still in the first part of August, so it's still summer. Vacation is just over. In fact, today I was traveling and I just got home. I don't know exactly how much I weigh because when I've done all my weigh-ins, they were always in the morning after I've had a bowel movement, So I know it's TMI, but anyway, so I was just thinking this would make a great video. What happened is I got home. Actually, I didn't get home. Actually, we came into town. I got my car, which was by the mom and pop grocery store. I went in, bought bags of produce, brought it home, put mostly everything away. And now I'm ready to start all over again because I've been gone for weeks. I have not been in this house cooking for weeks. So what am I doing? What am I making to get myself meal prepped for this week? I have gotten several large sweet potatoes baking for this week. I'm hoping to share some with my husband. He's been wanting them too. I'm just assembling. I gotta add some garlic, fresh garlic, and I'm gonna make some beans, some black beans, which I don't know if you can see in there, but I put some sprigs of epazote, black beans, water, cebolla, onion, and then I'm gonna make myself a really good peach cobbler that's healthy. And so I bought some peaches. I made it while I was on vacation too, and it was so good. We came into town and my daughter wanted to go to the pasteleria, which the bakery, after they ate their chicken lunch, and bought a slice of cake. And I wanted one too, but I'm not gonna eat a piece of cake from the bakery. So I'm also gonna make myself some fresh Mexican salsa so that I'll have that available. Chilaquile sauce, I've been eating that, just not putting the arbol chili in it, so it's not as spicy. It's not burning out my stomach. I can handle it. And I've been drinking a lot of lemon water. And what else can I say? Well, let's take a peek into my refrigerator. Let's just see what I brought home. It's not perfect, and it's kind of empty. So I discovered these mushrooms. I haven't looked them up online to know exactly what they are. It says there's Zeta, which is Z pieces. I don't know what kind of mushrooms they are, but I tried some when I was on vacation. Actually, I was gonna make like a mock crab thing with it, and I never got around to it. So this morning I was cleaning out the refrigerator where vacation was taking place, threw it in my Instant Pot, and I was like, oh my gosh, this has really got like a meaty texture to it. It's kind of like shrimp in a way, but it's kind of interesting. It would make great, mock meats and stuff, but some sort of a mushroom. But I've got my produce thing packed with cilantro, broccoli, bell peppers. It's not all prepared. I got zucchini, brought home some celery. That's what I was using to make my salads. I made like a garbanzo salad, which is supposed to be a mock tuna, but it doesn't taste like tuna, but I just kept eating it. Our garbanzo beans and beans in general have more calories. They're more calorie dense than potatoes. And I've really been enjoying beans, and I have not been limiting myself too much, and that could be another reason why I was gained some weight. I ran out of maple syrup on my trip, and it was really, really expensive on the coast. It was too expensive to buy, so I didn't replace it. And the little fruit bin, this is just stuff that was left over from vacation that we brought home. Limes, and I forgot chayote, that was pretty good. I I bought that yesterday because they didn't have any good zucchini on the coast. And I'm rambling, but just saying that in my pantry has some onions in storage, and I also have potatoes in my refrigerator, white potatoes. But yeah, I'm ready to start all over again. I've really loved it's a garbanzo salad. That's super good. So maybe one day I can make that for you. Show you how to make the Mexican salsa. Super easy. I don't even know if you want me to see me make it, because there's probably so many videos of other people eating this way that I've already made it, and their videos are so much better than mine. And I'm just doing this to keep myself accountable. So you can see me. I've got a little bit of my muffin back. I don't like the muffin. There's my little muffin here. Don't like it. Don't like it. So I would just say I gained a few pounds. I'm definitely under 160. Can't say that I'm under 150. My lowest weight was 144, but I don't know. I'm thinking 155, 154, which is what I weighed in high school. I still weighed that in high school, but still my goal is 125. So that's what I'm aiming for. That's why I keep doing these videos, thinking I'm gonna get it one of these days and get down there, get rid of the lipoma in my arm. And anyway, this is the update that I promised. It is a few days late. Sorry, but thought I'd get it out there, keep myself accountable, let you know that I'm still doing this. I'm still a long hauler. Dogs want to come in. They've missed me. But I'm still, I am a starchy long hauler. I'm not giving up on this. And I'm just thinking that I can get this lipoma off my arm. And so even though I look okay, I look fine, but I have goals. All right, take care. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below, and God bless you.